What is that? It's a rock bass. Wow. I never caught a rock bass in the stretch of this river. It's a rock bass. Look at that guy. I'm gonna get him back in. Haven't been here in a long time. There we go. First little fish of the day is a rock bass. Nice. Ooh. This trout feels actually pretty good. I don't want to get him or what, because he's barely hooked. Trying to fly quite a bit, and I'm not really getting a whole lot on the fly. This is a second cast of live bait, and I got one. Look at that, guys. Not a trout. Smallmouth. Everything but a trout today. Let's get him in. Got a trout on. He is not fighting. He's actually a pretty... Wow, he's actually a really nice trout. It's just he was not fighting. He's skinny though. That's probably why he wasn't really fighting too much. So far, live bait 2 and fly, well, 1 small rock bass. But let's keep trying so you get anything else. But if the water temp is really, really warm today. For a trout, it's 70 degrees. It's warm. It got cool lately, but that coolness hasn't dropped the water temp yet. So these trout are gonna have, it's gonna be kind of a little bit more, I think, difficult time getting these trout because the water's warm, but we'll see. It didn't take too long with live bait though in these bigger holes. Well, I guess the live bait is the ideal bait for today. There's a smallmouth. Oh no, it's a trout. I think it's a smallmouth. Look at that. Get him unhooked. Oh wow, full of energy. 3 good fish on live bait. The fly only 1 rock bass, and I tried fly quite a bit, so it's gonna be a live bait day. This trout I had on was on the whole time. I thought something whack it, but I thought it was something small. This is actually a nice trout. He jumped probably like 2 foot. His first cast too. I mean, he's gonna be gut hooked, which isn't good for him and me because I like this hook. Oh boy. Well, let's show you to me, guys. I'm gonna try to get him out released. Oh boy. There we go, guys. He actually swam away fine. He was sitting here. He's good. I actually did not think he was gonna make it. Oh, it's a brown. I think it's a brown. Nice. That's a nice brown right there, guys. This is probably the nice trout of the day right here. Wow. It hooked real good, that trout. Sean here, guys. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's actually a nice trout. I didn't know. I thought it was like a small fish. Yeah, that's a nice, not a skinny one. A long one. Long trout here. Let's try to get him unhooked and released. Actually, guys, the hook popped like right out. It wasn't that bad at all. There we go. Nice. That's a limit of trout. Look at that. On live bait. I am going to try to fly though just to see, but we'll see if I get anything on the fly. You'll know if I have one on the fly. This fish felt nice, small, nice. Now he's feeling really nice. I think it's a nice smallmouth. Smallmouth. Not bad. He fought pretty good for his size though. That's something decent on the fly now, guys. I think it's a smallmouth. See, it feels like a smallmouth. Fighting good though for his size. Is it small? Yeah, it is a smallmouth. It's not a bad one for this river, guys. They don't really get big. Like that one isn't too bad for this river. Like this, you're not gonna get crazy much bigger than this. I mean, you will get bigger, but not a lot bigger. All right, get him in. Got a trout here, guys. Barely fighting, but he's pretty small. You can tell when the warmer water. When it's warmer water, because these fish don't want to fight too much in this. No, trout are not really a warm water fish. I try to get them unhooked as quickly as possible. There we go. Now he's freaking out. What the heck, buddy? There you go. Oh. There he goes. Okay. But yeah, I try to fly in here a little bit. Nothing. It could be the fly choice I'm using, but live bait is definitely the key today. All right, trout on. I can tell the trout, they don't hit as hard as smallmouth. The smallmouth kind of thump it for their size. Oh, that's actually a really nice trout. That's not a bad one there, guys. For how hard he hit it, like he barely hit it. Not a giant, but I definitely thought he was bigger. I mean, smaller. There we go, nice, nice. I don't know what just happened. Oh my God. I caught one, guys. You're not gonna believe what I just caught. They're in here, guys. No way. Of all these years fishing this place, and I finally got one. I caught one before upriver. You gotta be kidding me. Wait a minute. You know, it is it. Yep, that's the fish. Oh, that's my biggest one. Wait, is that? Wait a minute. Don't even tell me this. Yes. Can you guys see it? That's my biggest one. It's an eel. eel, guys. Look at that, a freaking eel. Holy hell, he's actually a nice one too. Wow. Look at that. Well, actually, no, it's not my first eel on the main river. I caught one on the main river before, but not many. But I caught two in my life. This is my third eel. This is my biggest by far. You know it's a bigger one if you can get a hold of them. Look at this thing, guys. He's pretty nice. This is the American eel. These are one of the only fish I can swim like backwards. I mean, I know some knife fish do. I just want to show you guys. He's gonna probably get away. This is the only third one I caught. Look at that thing. It's hard to show you. There. Look at that thing. What a crazy fish. Like, almost more like a snake. Let's get him in. He's been out for a while. There he goes. Wow. He's bolting. He's gone. Wow. That's like my third one. Second one on the main river. Then, where it comes out the river, I caught one. So, that's crazy, guys. Crazy. Let's see if we get anything else today. See, guys, you never know what you're going to catch with live bait. That's why I love using live bait. Not just at this river, anywhere. You never know what you're going to get. Hell, I caught an eel. That was the first eel I caught in a long time. Probably almost 10 years. Oh, now I'm snagged. Oh, no, I'm not snagged. But that's what I mean. You never know with live bait. It's very interesting what you can get. First cast at a new hole. This one seems pretty decent. Oh, yeah. There you go, buddy. Yeah, that's a really nice trout, actually. That's a good one there. Good, the hook came out. That's probably the biggest one of the day there for sure. Nice one there. There you go, guys. That's a nice one there. Nice, like, easy 14-incher there. Nice one. There we go, nice. New hole. First cast, trout. But this hole is a pretty good hole. A lot of oxygen coming in, a lot of nice white water moving in. It gets that nice slack in the middle. It's ideal for trout. All right, I think, what is this thing? What is that? He felt really small. Then now he's actually feeling kind of, oh, it's a nice trout, actually. There we go. Wow, that's actually a really nice trout. Guys, this thing felt so small. It's a really nice one here. Now he's fighting. It's weird. You can tell the water's warmer because, like, they're not fighting ass like crazy like they usually do in like that 50-degree, even a low 60-degree water. And the water temp's in the 70s, low 70s. That's warm. It's a nice one there, nice and dark. He's pretty cool looking. Get him back in, guys. Don't want to stress out these fish too much. There you go. There he is. There. Huh, I caught him. I wasn't even trying to do that. There we go. Nice. There we go. We got a rainbow. He's just slowly coming in. Well, now he wants to fight. He saw the net and he's like, nope. Oh, really white belly on this fish. There we go. He saw the net. He's like, nope. He just swam away. That's a nice bright colored trout. Nice colored trout right there. Let's get him in. Nice. I'm mainly fishing the bigger holes today, guys. Like the water's actually low today, and it's really warm, so I'm fishing the deeper holes. That's where these fish are mostly at. The pockets are, I didn't catch any fish out of pockets at all today, so there might be some there. I was using a fly at the pockets and didn't get anything. I might try live bait, but these bigger holes are really good to fish when the water's low and the water's warm. There we go, guys. I don't know if you guys remember, this is the hole I caught that big tiger trout at. And this is first cast already with a nice trout. I mean, look at this hole. I mean, this hole is like ideal for trout. Deep, white water coming down. It's perfect for trout. Or really any fish for a river. Get them in. Nice rainbow here. That's a nice one there. Let's get them released. There we go. That's a nice one, man. Get them in. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish in a beautiful river. Smallmouth here, guys. He jumped pretty high. I mean, smallmouth for, I mean, this river doesn't have a ton of big ones, but he looked pretty decent for this river. Right, real good. Little torpedo-shaped smallies. There we go. Cool colorations, though, on them. Like the smallmouth in rivers, I think, have cooler coloration sometimes. Yeah, cool color on them. Get them in. Smallmouth, guys. This one actually seems pretty good. This one seems pretty decent. Like for this river, guys, a really nice smallmouth is like 14 inches. That's like really nice. This guy's fighting good. Yeah. Oh my God. This thing is so fat. That's by far The biggest of the day. Yeah, like that's a nice one right there. Yeah, guys, for this river, this is like a nice smallmouth. Like they don't really get bigger than that. I mean, they could. There's probably somewhere in this river that get bigger, but that's a nice one there. Little smallmouth like that, a little slower water. That's where it is here too. So let's keep trying, see if we get anything else. What I have on, I don't know if it's a trout or a fighting really crazy. It's a big rock bass. Catching a variety today. It's a really nice rock bass, nice red-eye bass. Smallmouth or red-eye bass, but I call these guys red-eye bass too. That red eye, they're really cool looking. That's a nice one there. Switch to a plug, guys, and I got a smallmouth. I want to try a jerkbait in here just to see I get any smallmouth, and what do you know it? There's one right here. There he is. This is, please don't freak out. Thank you. And a little plug, a little jerkbait. Another one, guys, on the jerk. On the old jerkety jerk. It's fun, even a smallmouth like this. It's fun getting them on a jerkbait. This actually seems pretty decent, this fish. Yeah, it's actually a nice smallmouth for in here. See, guys? Oh yeah, that's a good one there for in this river. Right to the net. Nice, thank you. See? Fun fish to catch. It's a decent one there, not a bad fish. Went from trout to smallmouth. Another fish. I knew eventually we had to get one on this thing here. And what do you know it? It's a brownie. Yeah, that's a nice, beautiful brown trout too. Finally. Again, finally. A pretty fish, guys. Nice brown. I feel like to catch those nice browns in this river. Second brown for today. He's fine. There he goes. This fish feels pretty decent. I don't know what this thing is. Oh my god. Guys, you can't see this freaking thing. Oh my god. This is insane. I think it's a huge fall fish. Either that or a sucker. No. Wow, that's a big fall fish. Goodness. Oh, is that a... Oh my god, dude. That's like the biggest fall fish. I got him. Wow. Look at that fall fish, guys. Biggest fish of the day. I thought that was a big trout at first. This is a huge fall fish. Look at that freaking giant. I ain't seen a lot of fall fish. Look at that thing. That's a big fall fish. I don't really care for these fish, but they're really strong fish. Like, they're almost like a carp, really. It's a big fall fish right there. There he goes. Wow. That was a really big fall fish. All right, guys, done with this spot now. But anyways, like I said when I caught that rainbow, this is like a great hole for a variety of different fish. And look what I caught. I got a variety of different fish. I caught fall fish, rock bass, smallmouth, brown trout, and rainbow trout. I'm shocked I only caught 2 trout out of this whole thing, but water's warm. I think the other fish are probably out competing them. Like the smallmouth, there's a lot of smallmouth in here. And the warmer water, I think, is kind of screwing up the trout bite a little bit too. Even though it's really good today, but I think the smallmouth are a little bit more hyper than the trout in this scenario. But it's just really good day. I mean, really good day. Can't complain for late August. I mean, guys, this is late August, almost September, but water's still really warm yet. You know, the nights are cool now, but this is a great day, guys. I'm gonna head up the river now, try some different spots again, and see what happens from there. All right, guys, working my way up, like I said, and I got a trout. I'm shocked I even hooked this thing. It's a pretty looking trout here. Yeah. All right, guys, potentially maybe last fish. I cut the hook on him. He should be fine now. Hopefully, we'll see. But, all right, we'll see if we get any more, but I don't know yet. That might be the last fish. Home now, guys. That last little trout was indeed the last fish of the day. Great, really good day. I was not expecting it to be this good with this many fish. I mean, those smallmouth were smaller, but they're still really fun to catch. But even trout-wise, I was not expecting to catch that many trout. Usually, like late August, early September, that river's tough because it's so warm that like the trout don't want to bite, and it's usually really low. Like today was low for that river, but really good day. The rod I'm using, guys, is 7-foot light action St. Croix Avid Panfish series. It's so fun catching a fish on that rod. Oop. And it's just, you have that light tip, that sensitivity, the indicate bites, and it's a really good rod. Held up great against these fish. I mean, I caught a lot of big fish on this rod. I caught a lot of big, I mean big fish, like big pike and catfish on this rod. But great rod. Really good fish today. Caught mainly everything on live bait. I caught 2 fish on the fly today. A rock bass and a smallmouth. That was it. Like, now if I used to fly more, I probably would have caught more fish, but I don't know. This live bait, especially this time of the year too, late summer, that river is just, live bait just excels on that river. But just fishing deep holes, I barely fished any pockets today. I know just to go those big holes, that's where most of those fish are at. But anyways, guys, great day of fishing, great fish, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Later, guys.